Hi guys, this is Dr.Raylee here. Let's look at a number of non-pharmacological ways you can solve your frequent urination at night and also help reduce the risks of developing enlarged prostate. And these are lifestyle changes you need to adapt to help you prevent or reduce the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Number one is to avoid drinking fluid late at night, especially the snacks before bed so you don't pee a lot. Number two is to drink enough fluid during the day or unless or none at all at night, because your urine can become concentrated and lead to a bit of a waste product, and that can cause irritation to the bladder, leading to frequent urination. The third point is increase your activity. Have a physical activity you do, because men who are physically active are less likely to develop or suffer from enlarged prostate. The third way is avoid alcohol. Alcohol has a diuretic effect and will make you urinate a lot at night. Next way is to reduce your weight if you are obese or overweight, because obesity is associated with inflammation, which can potentially increase the size of your prostate. Number four is to limit the intake of coffee. And coffee acts as a diuretic and it can also irritate your bladder, making you urinate a lot at night. The next way is to limit bladder irritants such as the spicy foods, carbonated drinks, and acidic foods. Then also you need to avoid food high in sugar, refined sugar, or artificial sweetness, and can also increase your inflammation, such as the cakes, the cookies, the candies, the pie, and the pastries. Then, very important, avoid being constipated a lot. Constipated gut can put pressure on your bladder and the prostate, and that is not good for your bladder and your prostate. So make sure you don't get constipation a lot. Then lastly, perform Kegel exercise. It helps with your muscles, especially the pelvic region, and prostate and bladder integrity. And if you want to know what is behind your enlarged prostate and what to do to shrink that enlarged prostate, I put a link right here. Click on it. If you found this video helpful, kindly give us a like, comment, and share this with all your loved ones, especially with the men. Hey, always remember that God wants you healthy. Your health, your life.